Experience industrial-scale 3D printing with the Tronxy VEHO600A, a high-performance FDM 3D printer engineered for speed, precision, and large-format production. Designed for professionals, manufacturers, engineers, designers, educational institutions, and serious makers, the VEHO600A combines an impressive 600 x 600 x 600 mm build volume with ultra-fast printing speeds of up to 600 mm per second. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the Tronxy VEHO600A and explore its advanced features, including a high-flow direct drive extruder, fully enclosed printing chamber, large format build area, and high-speed motion system that enables faster production without compromising print quality. Whether you're producing functional prototypes, industrial components, architectural models, automotive parts, cosplay props, furniture prototypes, or custom manufacturing projects, the VEHO600A delivers exceptional performance for both large-scale and high-volume production. The spacious 600 x 600 x 600 mm build volume allows users to print oversized models in a single piece, eliminating the need for splitting designs into multiple sections while improving structural strength and reducing post-processing time. Powered by a high-flow direct drive extrusion system, the printer ensures stable filament feeding and consistent material flow even during high-speed printing, making it suitable for engineering-grade materials and demanding applications. The fully enclosed chamber helps maintain a stable internal temperature, improving print quality and reducing the risk of warping when printing temperature-sensitive materials. It also protects prints from external airflow, resulting in greater consistency and reliability during long production jobs. The advanced high-speed motion system enables print speeds of up to 600 mm per second while maintaining excellent dimensional accuracy, making the VEHO600A an ideal solution for businesses looking to increase productivity and reduce manufacturing time. Its robust industrial frame minimizes vibration during operation, ensuring smooth movement and precise positioning across the entire build area, even when producing large and complex models.